Hello everyone, I'm Sara, your AI guide. Welcome back to a new English lesson with Safar AI, your journey to better English. I'm here to help you learn about how to talk about what we can do now and what we could do in the past. Let's begin with the key points. Using can for present abilities. Using could for past abilities. Comparing can and could. Practice examples. Summary. Using can for present abilities. We use can to say what someone is able to do now, in the present. Examples. I can swim. She can speak English. They can play the guitar. Using could for past abilities. To talk about what someone was able to do in the past, we use could. Examples. I could swim when I was 5 years old. She could ride a bike as a child. They could read when they were 6. Comparing can and could. Let's look at how can and could are different. Can, present. Could, past. Compare these sentences. I can speak English now. I could only speak Arabic when I was younger. She can drive now. She could ride a bike when she was 10. Practice examples. Now, let's practice. Repeat after me. He can cook now, but he couldn't cook before. I could ride a bike when I was 7, and I still can. She couldn't speak Spanish when she was in school, but she can speak Spanish and French now. They could swim very well when they were kids, so they can swim in deep water now. Great work. Summary. Let's review what we learned today. Use can for present abilities. I can play the guitar now. Use could for past abilities. I could read when I was 5. Use both to show change. I couldn't speak English before, but now I can. Excellent work today. Thanks for watching. Keep learning with Safar AI, your journey to better English. And remember, practice makes perfect.